Hey, hello. Hi, guys. I have come up with another one interesting feature in my Snowsight.streamlit app where you can replicate any database from one Snowflake account to another Snowflake account. If you notice, right, this is one Snowflake account and I have opened another window and this is another Snowflake account. Basically, if you observe, there is no database here. Like, let me refresh it. So there is no database here. And here we have two, like I have created two databases. So what happens usually, like after 30 days of trial period, you cannot access the trial accounts, and sometimes what to say, like developer or a learner, right, wants the data from one database, where they are playing, right, that database data into another Snowflake account. So one of the one-click method I have come up, where you just need to give the source and destination connections. And for example, now what I'm doing, I'll be moving these three tables data, for example, from this schema to another Snowflake account. So there are three tables here that I'll be moving to
TBLS. As.
another.
Select. From.
So these three tables I'll be moving to another Snowflake account. So what we need to do, we just need to click here test connection. So this is source connection. If you see source connection is successful, even destination connection need to add. Anyway, these databases are not available. If you understand carefully, the account name is the correct, it should be role, and account should be correct here, and user ID and password is enough. So it's now if I click on replicate, what will happen? So in the source uh, query history, right, maybe I'll show you. We'll go to monitor, and it will fetch all the DDLs of a table first. So there will be one query running which will be keep taking the DDLs from the source. Okay, let's see what will happen once I click here. So once I click replicate, so you see that it started, and here it will say structure is structures, all the structures are created, and three tables are there only. And if you notice, 3 6, so all the three out of the three tables data is replicated. And if you come back here, and will just refresh, and this database and these tables are came here. So let's do one thing. So where I have more tables here, uh, IND schema, basically around 157 tables I have in a source. Let's try that one. Okay, so if you see here, right, there are around 157 tables and all are having, okay, IND schema. Okay, I just need to change this. So now if I check, there are 157 tables are there and all are having the data. So what I'll do here, uh, I'll just change my source connections and target connections here. So IND data is my source. Here this also my, this is source, and this is my schema. This I want to replicate in target. So let's test, and here also let's test the destination. And when I come back here in the my target Snowflake account, so basically this IND data database is not available. Let's see what will happen once I click on the replicate data. So everything is same. So if you see, right, there are around 157 tables are there, which will take time, but it will be so fast. Okay, so and you will see what is happening from here also. Okay, so let's come to my snow site, and let's click on replicate data. So it started. So first structures will be created in my table, my another target Snowflake account. So let's wait. So here that another database, right? IND data will come back within maybe another some seconds. Yeah, see here what is happening here. The definition of all the tables are storing in one what to say table, and that one query will be created, and that query will be fired in my target Snowflake account. So let's wait for some minute because the table count is a little bit more. But in in the meanwhile, I'll just copy my this query here from this to target Snowflake. Anyway, this won't be available until, so let's refresh here. Yeah, this database came here, and once you come back to my snow site, right? So structure is created, and it will start. See, all the structures are created, and it will be one by one data replication will start. You see the data replication started. So all the tables data from source account, it will be start moving to target. So I'll just change here to IND data and the schema. So basically there will be 157 tables here, and if you notice this number where zero records are there, right? This will be keep on decreasing, and this will be keep on increasing until unless 157 reaches. So if you notice, right, one after another, the query will be fired. Source tables data replicated to destination DB with rows. It will be keep on coming like this. So it is 142, right? So if I click on this, it will get reduced, and so anyway, you might have know all other tabs what it is doing. So another thing where generate DDL I have created. This is like to create a DDL of any account. So if I come here, right, and give all the, for example, I'll give uh, this information. Like for example, I'll take this account admin. So I'll come back to here, and once I click on connect, connection will be successful, and it will ask, do you want to generate complete DDL of entire DB, or you want to generate full DB? Okay, if you say yes, it will ask for which database you want to generate. Like for example, if I put only SFDB data, it will generate uh, complete DDL for that database. If I select no here, so it will be keep on asking the what database, and you can choose any of this, and then you can choose even table wise also. So it will ask for table. If you select that table, it will be asked for generate, and the respective table will be generated. That's it. You look other videos for these tabs. This is my one of the pet project, and thank you for being there till here. Thank you very much.